We are just about to leave and I'm very nervous actually to do it. Just a bit weird, you know. Have I got everything I need for 2 weeks? And actually we're going to do this, you know, paddle around 400 kilometres around a very dangerous island. So, yeah, a little bit daunting, but exciting too. It's 20 past 11 and we're just about ready to set off on this 12-day, 400-kilometre journey where we hope to come back and look at this place from that direction. But today we're off that way, 20-25 k's or so, into the wind. Bit of a slog, but not too far.
Yay! First day.
Yeah, it's finally happening. See you, Mount. Well, here we go. A bit surreal, we're actually doing it. It can be a bit daunting at times, thinking about the whole picture of it. Just one step at a time. Just get through today. And just keep going, and find those things that are special and crazy and amazing about this trip, you know, that we get to be here. I guess have this experience, see the things we're going to see, and yeah, how unique it is, and try not to get too negative about how hard or uncomfortable it might be at times. Yeah, it's good. Around the corner, start turning more southerly. It's just getting windier and windier. We get slower and slower. And we're going to lose the tide in the next hour. Oh well. Just keep plugging away. Quickly pull into picturesque Cuttlefish Bay. Just have a look. I've never actually landed here. And have a quick feed and then keep going. Yeah, I'm just gonna stay out actually. My feet are still dry, so. That's good. A bit unpleasant now. Didn't battle with the wind and tide. It's only meant to be about 11 knots, but it feels about 15. And this rain just has not stopped. It's meant to be gone by now, but oh well, on we go. It's a good sight to finally see Cape St. Albans over there, and it goes in, that's all Antechamber Bay. We're going to camp over there-ish in Red House Bay. You'd be, wouldn't be blamed for thinking it's the middle of winter. Done it, the northern side of Antechamber Bay. And yeah, brutal slog through there, right? Fighting the tide and the wind. Probably doing about 3 to 4k an hour. Just because we took our time this morning, didn't want to rush, but we missed that tide, I guess. So, oh well. Still got another hour and a half or so to get to the other side of the bay. Sort of set up for tomorrow. Yeah, almost ashamed to say we're feeling pretty stonked by this wind. It's just endless. Everywhere we go, it's a bit of a strong headwind, so. Stretch. It's taken us an hour to get the whole length of the bay, and we're knackered. This is meant to be an easy day. But turns out 15 knot headwinds and tide is quite hard, so hopefully we're not too fatigued for tomorrow. You know, we got 50 k's at a minimum tomorrow. Early night. Just about to land, sunshine. Let's call this home for night.